They love it. They said it's like a hotel bathroom.
While back in Penny Lane, there is a fireman with an hourglass.
Because the transformation is just going to be unreal.
I had 2 job interviews yesterday, so I'm like, oh, this is nothing. Yeah. Yeah, my name's Kelly and I work in property development. I'm a project manager. Through my plumber, Lindsay, I've known Lindsay for probably about 5 or 6 years. She's done some previous work for me on another property and for other members of the family. And so yeah, she recommended Bathroom House when we signed her up to do our bathroom. The old bathroom was horrible. It was just the bathroom that was here when we bought the house. The whole house needed renovating. And so we finally got around to doing the bathroom. We came up with it ourselves. We spent a couple of years thinking about how best to use the space, and then kind of really like honing in on what sort of design style we wanted to go for. And yeah, we just came up with this and Lindsay made it happen. It was really good. I just kind of looked through the catalogue or just looked on the internet for ideas, sent through photos and products through, and they kind of came back with either alternatives or suggestions for things that were similar to what I liked, or just gave me exactly what I wanted. So yeah, it was really good. It was a bit of a tricky construction process. There was like walls that needed to come down and floor levels that needed to change. So that was a bit nervy. We didn't know until we ripped it out how much work was going to be done and what was involved. It was a little trickier than they'd planned, but the plumbers kind of did a really good job, worked some extra hours, bless them, and yeah, it works out in the end. I think me and my husband would both say we really like our walk-in shower. That makes getting up in the morning a lot easier, but I also really, really love my mini bath. Oh, I mean, if you'd seen the old one, I wouldn't even need to answer that question. It's just 1,000 times better than it was. It really makes the short amount of time you do spend in your bathroom really nice, but also gives you an opportunity to have a room that you use more. Do you know, like I'll be more inclined to like relax and have a bath now because it's so nice. Yeah, I would definitely recommend Bathroom House. We ordered all the products sort of really close to the build being done, and everything bar the sink was like here within days or a week and stuff. So that was really great, and they were really helpful. So yeah, definitely.